In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect DSers AliExpress on Shopify in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your favorite web browser. Once you're in, simply type DSers into your search bar. Press enter, and you should see the DSers website pop up in your search results. Click on it to go to the main DSers page. Now, if you have a DSers account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up for one to proceed. Make sure to keep your login information handy, as you'll need it again shortly. Once you're in DSers, you'll be greeted with a platform selection page. On this page, you'll see several options, but what you're looking for is Shopify. Give that a click, and here's where things start to get interesting. Clicking on Shopify will open a new tab in your browser, directing you to Shopify's page where you can install DSers as an app on your store. This will require one more step to ensure everything is set up correctly. At this point, Shopify will prompt you to install the DSers app. When you see the option to install, go ahead and click on it. Shortly after, another prompt will appear asking you to authorize the app. This step is crucial as it allows DSers to integrate smoothly with your Shopify store, enabling you to manage your products effectively. Make sure you click Authorize to move on to the next step. Now that DSers is integrated with your Shopify store, you'll either need to log into an existing DSers account if you happen to log out, or simply create one if you're just getting started. Follow the on-screen instructions to either log in again or set up your account. This will ensure your DSers account is synced and ready for the next phase. Following this, you're going to connect your AliExpress account to DSers. A pop-up window will guide you through the process, prompting you to either sign in or authorize the connection. Make sure your AliExpress account is linked correctly, as this will enable you to source products directly from AliExpress to your Shopify store through DSers. Once linked, you're now ready to search for products within the DSers platform. Use the search function to find products from linked suppliers like AliExpress. When you've found what you're looking for, you can import these products straight into your DSers import list. Finally, head over to your import list within DSers. Here, you're given the flexibility to edit product details like titles, descriptions, variants, and even pricing to suit your store's needs. Take advantage of this step to make sure your product listings are polished and ready for customer viewing.